What's spinning, everyone? Ty here, and welcome back to another video. I am freaking out. I decided to go a little bit off the charts and decided to do this. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Your spinner TV, not fidget TV. No, cube TV. Fidget cube TV. So I decided before I get asked to do this, I decided to do it. Review on a fidget cube. So this is work, class, home, it says on here. And this is work, class, home. The Illuminati is real. Oh my god. I'm just joking. Okay, so this is right here. This is click. This is spin. This is flip. This is glide. This is roll. And this is breathe. Breathe? Huh? I don't understand breathe. Alright. So this is a fidget cube if you did not know. And you probably knew because you probably read what it said. And you probably looked at the thumbnail. So yeah. Let's open this up. This is camo. I was gonna get a blue camo. I don't know why I didn't, but here it is. I'm not used to opening something like that. But whoa, fancy. You can just touch that all around. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Poke it, touch it, touch it, poke it, touch it, poke it, touch it. I don't know what I just did, but then this is, let me see. So let me take you step by step of the different things. So this is what they call click. Just click on these. And then this is what they call spin. You just spin this around in circles. And this is what they call flip. Like a light switch. You flip the light switch. Yeah, I kind of guessed that one. And the glide. So this is glide. It's like a controller almost. Pew pew, pew, pew pew. I'm not playing a gun game, people. And then this is roll. So all of these are roll. All of these are roll. I like glide. Glide is fun. Okay. Now breathe. Huh? What? It's just a... Ooh, you put your thumb in here? It's really soft plastic. I could see how this could make you breathe. Like a stress ball. Yeah, I guess that would actually be true. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do like a fidget cube? Like, I can't compare it to a spinner. I'm actually making this video also for you people that are bored of spinners. So yes. What? Bounce. Bounce. Okay, I like spinners still more. So, like overall, in the fidget section, on a scale of 1 to 10, a fidget. I'd have to rate a spinner like a 9, because I love fidget spinners. For sale, remember those are for sale. .3. 8.3. I just had to get the decimal. I'd rate it 8.3. Like, just 8.3. It's nice. It's easy. The only thing is, if you're trying to hide it from like a teacher or something, they're just gonna see a square in your pocket and they'll be like, "What is that?" And you're like, "Oh no, it's just it's my lunch money." Yeah, it's exactly what's gonna happen. So people are gonna see that and know that you have a fidget cube in your pocket, but Oh no, this is the best tactic for fidget cubes. Okay, we got that done and over with. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and this is a fidget cube, surprisingly, on my channel. And please click the notification, subscribe, and like this video, and spin on.